हेलो चिल्ड्रेन्स, माइंड एक्सरसाइज में आपका स्वागत है। ट्रायंगल्स एक्सरसाइज 6.3 क्वेश्चन 1। स्टेट विच पेयर्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स इन फिगर आर सिमिलर। राइट द सिमिलरिटी क्राइटेरियन यूज्ड बाय यू फॉर आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन एंड आल्सो राइट द पेयर ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स इन द सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म। फिगर फर्स्ट। In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A equal to angle P equal to 60 degree, angle B equal to angle Q equal to 80 degree, angle C equal to angle R equal to 40 degree. Show triangle ABC similar triangle PQR by AAA similarity criterion. Figure second. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, sides are proportional. AB by QR equal to BC by PR equal to AC by PQ. 2 by 4 equal to 2.5 by 5 equal to 3 by 6. Half. Show triangle ABC similar triangle PQR by SSS similarity. Figure third. In triangle LMP and triangle DEF, two triangles are not same shape because their sides are not proportional. Show triangle LMP not similar triangle DEF. Fourth. In triangle MNL and triangle PQR, angle M equal to angle Q equal to 70 degree. Sides MN by PQ equal to ML by QR. 2.5 by 5 equal to 5 by 10. Half. Show triangle MNL similar triangle PQR by SAS similarity. Figure 5. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, तो एंगल A इक्वल टू एंगल F इक्वल टू 80 डिग्री. साइड्स AB बाई D इक्वल टू BC बाई EF. AB 2.5, D not given, तो not equal to BC 3 by 6. Show triangle ABC not similar triangle DEF. Figure 6. In triangle DEF and triangle PQR, angle D equal to angle P equal to 70 degree, angle E equal to angle Q equal to 80 degree, angle F equal to angle R equal to 30 degree. Sum of triangles 180 degree. So triangle DEF similar triangle PQR by A similarity. Question 2. In figure, triangle ODC similar triangle OBA, angle BOC equal to 125 degree and angle COD equal to 70 degree. Find angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OAB. BOD is a straight line and ray OC stand on it. Show angle BOC plus angle DOC equal to 180 degree linear pair. Angle BOC 125 degree plus angle DOC equal to 180 degree. Show angle DOC equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree equal to 55 degree. Angle DOC equal to angle BOA equal to 55 degree. Vertically opposite angles are equal. In triangle ODC, angle DOC plus angle COD plus angle DCO equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle. DOC 55 degree plus COD 70 degree plus angle DCO equal to 180 degree. So angle DCO equal to 180 degree minus इन दोनों का सम 125 डिग्री इक्वल टू 55 डिग्री. Angle DCO equal to angle OAB equal to 55 degree. Alternate angles are equal. Question 3. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at the point O using a similarity criterion for two triangles so that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Draw a trapezium. A, B, C, D और इसके डायगोनल्स O पे इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं. तो इन ट्रायंगल AOB and ट्रायंगल DOC angle AOB equal to angle DOC. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Again angle OAB equal to angle OCD. Alternate angles are equal. Similarly, angle OBA equal to angle ODC. Alternate angles are equal. So, triangle AOB similar triangle DOC by AAA similarity criterion. When triangles are similar, sides are proportional. OA by OC equal to OB by OD by Thal's theorem. Question 4. In figure, QR by QS equal to QT by PR and angle 1 equal to angle 2 show that triangle PQS similar triangle TQR. In triangle PQS and triangle TQR, sides are proportional. QR by QS equal to QT by QP. Sides are proportional. But given QR by QS equal to QT by PR, angle 1 equal to angle 2 given है, so QP equal to PR, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So two sides proportional और one angle common. Angle Q equal to angle Q common. So triangle PQS similar triangle TQR by SAS similarity criterion. Question 5. S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P equal to angle RTS so that triangle RPQ similar triangle RTS. So according to question, draw a right triangle. RPQ और PR पे एक पॉइंट है S, T और QR पे T. Again angle P equal to RTS. In triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, तो angle P equal to angle RTS equal to 90 डिग्री गिवन है और एंगल R equal to एंगल R कॉमन. Show triangle RPQ similar triangle RTS by AA similarity criterion. Question 6. In figure, triangle ABE congruent triangle ACD. Show that triangle ADE similar triangle ABC. Given है triangle ABE congruent triangle ACD. Show AB equal to AC by CPCT. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. Similarly, AD equal to AE. So now in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. First, second, AD by AB equal to AE by AC. Dividing equation 2 by 1. So 2 sides proportional or one angle common. Angle A equal to angle A. Common. Show triangle ADE similar triangle ABC by SAS similarity criterion. Question 7. In figure, altitude AD and CE point P show that first triangle AEP similar triangle CDP. So first triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Angle AEP equal to angle CDP each equal to 90 degree. Again angle APE equal to angle CPD. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Show triangle AEP similar triangle CDP by AA similarity. Second triangle ABD and triangle CBE. So angle ABD equal to angle CBE common and angle ADB equal to angle CEB each equal to 90 degree. Show triangle ABD similar triangle CBE by AA similarity. Third triangle AEP and triangle ADB. Angle AEP equal to angle ADB each equal to 90 degree और angle EAB equal to angle DAB common. Show triangle AEB similar triangle ADB by AA similarity. Fourth, triangle PDC and triangle BEC. तो angle PDC equal to angle BEC each equal to 90 degree and angle PCD equal to angle BCE common. Show triangle PDC similar triangle BEC by AA similarity. Question 8E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and B intersects CD at F so that triangle AB is similar triangle CFB. Draw a parallelogram. A B C D. AD produced at E. Intersect at F. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Angle AEB equal to angle CBF. Alternate angles are equal. Again, angle EAB equal to angle BCF. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So triangle ABE similar triangle CFB by AA similarity. Question 9. In figure ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angle at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC similar triangle AMP. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle ABC equal to angle AMP each equal to 90 degree. Again, angle BAC equal to angle PAM common. Show triangle ABC similar triangle AMP by AA similarity. When Triangles are similar, sides are proportional. CA by PA equal to BC by MP. Corresponding sides of similar triangle are proportional. Question 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on the sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC similar triangle FEG, so that first CD by GH equal to AC by FG. Draw two triangles. A, B, C and bisector CD. Triangle FEG, bisector GH. In triangle ABC and triangle FEG, angle DCB equal to angle HGE, angle bisector. Again angle DCA equal to angle HGF, angle bisector. Show triangle ABC similar triangle FEG by AA similarity. When triangles are similar, sides are proportional. CD by GH equal to AC by FG. Corresponding sides of similar triangle are proportional. First, second, in triangle DCB and triangle HGE, angle DCB equal to angle HGE, angle bisector. Again angle CDB equal to angle GHE, each equal to 90 degree. Show triangle DCB similar triangle HGE by AA similarity. Third, in triangle DCA and triangle HGF, angle DCA equal to angle HGF, angle bisector. Again angle CDA equal to angle GHF, each equal to 90 degree. show triangle DCA similar triangle HGF by AA similarity. Question 11. In figure E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC if AD perpendicular BC and EF perpendicular AC. Prove that triangle ABD similar triangle ECF. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, angle ABD equal to angle ECF, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. AB equal to AC given है. Again angle ADB equal to angle EFC, each equal to 90 degree. Show triangle ABD similar triangle ECF by AA similarity. Question 12. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional. Sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. In triangle ABD and triangle PQM, given है sides are proportional, so AB by PQ equal to BD by half BC and QM by half QR equal to AD by PM. Show triangle ABD similar triangle PQM by SSS similarity. If half triangles are similar, then whole triangles are similar. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle ABD equal to angle PQM, corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So our sides proportional, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Show triangle ABC similar triangle PQR by SAS similarity. Question 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC, so that CA square equal to CB into CD. Draw a triangle. A, B, C. D is a point. So angle D equal to angle A. In triangle ATC and triangle BAC. Angle ADC equal to angle BAC गिवन है और एंगल ACD इक्वल टू एंगल BCA कॉमन, सो ट्रायंगल ADC सिमिलर ट्रायंगल BAC बाई AA similarity. When triangles are similar, sides are proportional. CA by CB equal to CD by CA. CA साइड दोनों ट्रायंगल्स में कॉमन है. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. CA स्क्वायर इक्वल टू CB इंटू CD. Question 14. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM. Another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. Draw two triangles ABC PQR DM in triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Sides are proportional given है. So AB by PQ equal to BD by half BC. Similarly QM by half QR equal to AD by PM. Show triangle ABD similar triangle PQM by SSS similarity. If half triangles are similar, then whole triangles are similar. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle ABD equal to angle PQM. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Our side proportional AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Show triangle ABC similar triangle PQR by SAS similarity. Question 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Length of vertical pole equal to 6 meter and its shadow 4 meter. At the same time, a tower casts a shadow 28 meter. To find the height of the tower. P, Q, A, B, C 90 degree, 90 degree. In triangle ABC and triangle PQC, angle ABC equal to angle PQC is equal to 90 degree x meter. Again, triangle ACB equal to angle PCQ common. Show triangle ABC similar triangle PQC by AA similarity. When triangles are similar, sides are proportional. AB by PQ equal to BC by QC. X, PQ 6, 28, 4. So 4x equal to 28 into 6. 4 7 ja 28. 7 6 ja 42. Height of the tower equal to 42 meter. Question 16. If AD and PM are medians of the triangles ABC and PQ are respectively, where triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. Draw two triangles. A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, M. Given triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. In triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Angle ABD equal to angle PQM. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal and sides are proportional. AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. Show triangle ABD similar triangle PQM by SAS similarity. When triangles are similar, sides are proportional. AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. वीडियो यदि पसंद आया हो तो सब्सक्राइब अवश्य